This week we are coming out with 3 interesting webinars. The first webinar is your salary increased, but due to your wealth. In this webinar, we will be discussing on how to effectively use your salary to make wealth. And the second webinar is how should you invest when the markets are uncertain. In this uncertain market, what are the steps need to be followed in your investment journey? And the third webinar is your portfolio built the right way? 3 practical ways to review your portfolio. In this webinar, we will be discussing the practical ways to look into your portfolio. To join the above webinar, click the link in the bio and the description.
FinFluencers got your portfolio leaking money? Here are the 4 hidden gaps. Gap 1. 80% of your portfolio is in 5 trending stocks. 20% dip in the market, your portfolio drops by 50%.
And your fix for that is a balanced asset allocation.
Gap 2. One tip fits all ages. Disaster.
And the fix for that, at 30 years, maybe 70% in equities. Maybe at 50, a little lesser. So match every investment to the stage of your life and your goals.
Gap 3. No emergency fund.
And the only fix for that is to first build one.
Gap 4. Buy high on FOMO and sell less on panic.
And your fix for that is to build a portfolio by reducing volatility and by grabbing the dips. And make your wealth work for you in the long term. Now that you know the gaps, if you fix them, you're going to save so much.
Okay, even knowing all of this, where do I actually start? How do I even know where my portfolio has all these gaps?
Don't worry, that's exactly what I'm going to be walking you through this Saturday. I will be hosting a webinar where I will tell you how you can spot these gaps and what you can actually do about them. Don't forget to register. Link is in the bio. We'll see you all there.